about organizing your fridge. So I would like to share my thoughts and opinions and how I organize my fridge in this video. So let's get started. In my opinion, when you have your fridge organized, there are three major benefits. Number one is easier to locate, easier to find. So when you have your fridge organized, it's easier to find items and it will cut down on meal prep time. The second one is reduced waste. When it is organized, you're more likely to use things in right order and remember to use leftovers. That way it reduces waste and you have an idea what to buy for the next week. And the third benefit is easier to clean. When it is organized, it stays cleaner, and also if there are any spills, it's very easy to clean and maintain. When it comes to organization, ultimately it has to support your lifestyle and you can personalize your way. But today I would like to share a few tips on how I organize my fridge. So I hope it gives you some ideas. Firstly, I make a rough plan of what I have and what I need. Depending upon the size and storage space I have in the fridge and also the weekly consumption of food and produce that we intake, I make a plan. I make a list. This is the list that I need in my fridge every week. So I make sure I have all these items in my fridge and I make a list like that. Once you have planned what you need, then you need jars and containers to store those items. Depending upon the space you have, take measurements and the quantity of the food that needs to go into the fridge, take measurements of the jars and the fridge size and make space accordingly. Once we decide on the containers and the space we have, then the next step is emptying the fridge and cleaning it. I use vinegar spray. Vinegar is really helpful in disinfecting and also it cleans the stains very effectively. That's why I use vinegar spray and it's chemical free. Fridge I have is double door fridge and it's tall fridge. It has almost like 3/4 fridge and then 1/4 of freezer. So the bottom bit is freezer. And I have customized this bit by taking one shelf off. It comes with two shelves just like that. There's one more shelf here too. But I took it off in order to put those milk cans and other stuff there. And this rack has these items. And I've got two drawers to store vegetables and there's one more pull-out drawer. Let's start with the top shelf. In this shelf, because it's very narrow there, I have organized this way. This container, I got it from Costco, and then in this one I stored these glass jars. I use lots of smoothies and salads. That's why I store them. I meal prep these ones. These are chia seeds. And I've got these glass jars from Target. You can get them anywhere. It's depending upon the measurement. I just wanted to make sure in this container, I wanted to fit in jars like these ones so that they are stackable like that. And in this one, I have ginger. In this one, I have lemongrass harvested from my garden. And this one stores garlic. This one I have prepared for the week. These are soaked fenugreek seeds, methi, and this one chia seeds. I have prepared them for the week as we use them in smoothies and salads. So that way this is totally secure and we can clean them, easy to clean, easy to find. So that's the easiest way. And this one stores jams like that. There are 4 yeast and different types of jams. They go in there. And this one holds, this comes with the lid. So this one holds eggs. And coming to this shelf, this is the same size container. As I said, I've got them from 5 in 1 pack. So I got them from, these are very handy. And these jars, these are different sized jars. They come in 12. I got them from Target. And these are the powders and other nuts. I've got space for other items to fill in. And same way here. So I've got stuff going in there. I soaked nuts and these are soaked nuts, walnuts, almonds, and sunflower seeds. And this tray is actually meant for soft drinks, but I am using this to store Indian pickles. This is lemon, and I've got other pickles over there at the back side. So the containers I have picked, depending upon the size of the fridge, they fit perfectly. It is a well thought process. It's not just, you know, randomly purchased. I made a plan and I took the measurements, and that's how it ended up now. And this rack, this is spinach. We usually get it in bulk, and then I store it in this container. This is good for airflow, and this keeps the spinach, leafy vegetables fresh. And there I've got some more pickles and some leftovers. I've got punnet of blueberries, and it's handy for my kids to reach. And there's some sour cream and fruits. Usually when we get pineapples and papaya, we usually chop them like that and store them there, so it's easier to put them in the smoothies. And these are the leftovers, and I have got yogurt here. I have still space there to put other stuff if I have any. And this rack holds milk. I usually store milk in these glass containers. And this is almond butter, and I've got this one as well. They hold ranches and some sauces, tinned stuff like that. This is basically the setup of the top shelf. And coming to the bottom shelves, this holds vegetables and fruits. We get time in the weekends. We usually chop the vegetables and store them in these Ziploc containers or in the stasher bags. And we've got some leafy greens there, and this is watermelon, finely chopped, so that way it's easier. And this drawer holds tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and some salad. This is the pulao drawer we have. There we have some greens, and sometimes when we have cilantro or coriander leaves, and we, take the moisture out and then store it in this box, it keeps them longer time, and it's the leafy green stays fresh. And some fruits are in these Ziploc bags. These are all harvested vegetables from my garden. And we've got more packs of vegetables, chopped vegetables, and there we've got cucumber set. These containers as well. I've got 2 sets from Costco, and they fit perfectly in this one. And coming to this rack holds lots of sauces, ranches, and masala mixes, ketchups, pasta sauce, mustard sauce. And these are called stasher bags. They are really handy. They are freezer safe, they are microwave safe, and fridge safe. You can store items, stay fresh for longer period of time. They come in different sizes. I've got 2 sizes here, and some chopped beans rated this side of the door. In this rack it holds butter and cheeses, and this one holds, again I got this from Target. They were 12 pack. You can label them here. This is really cute, and they are nice, airtight ones. So I'm going to make spice powders. I've already made this one, and I'm going to make other spice powders and store them in this one for easy cooking. Well, basically that's all about the fridge section. And let's move on to the freezer section. 1/4 of this fridge comes with freezer, and there are 2 partitions here. I take these plastic containers, and there's one more there. So I put the stuff like the ones that I don't usually use. It's easy to take from them in those ones. In this section I put frozen stuff. And this one is garlic ginger paste. I have made them myself. And there's one drawer here on the top shelf. This holds some leftover food, and they go there for emergencies. And this is methi, dried methi, frozen noodles, ice tray, and there's some beauty stuff there, and turmeric powder. Well, that's about the freezer section. It has got 2 compartments, and this is quite useful for me. Well, to keep up with the maintenance, let everyone in the house know where things go and ask them to put the stuff back in the right place where they go. That way it is nice and clean, and you don't have to keep on working towards it. Hope this was a helpful video, and please let me know in the comments section how you organize your fridge. I would love to listen to your experiences too. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.